Action. I believe that all animals should be loved and cared for. Hi, my name's Penelope Ann Langley, and I'm doing this presentation on animal cruelty and neglect. What is animal cruelty, you ask? Animal cruelty is when someone hurts an animal or does not care for an animal responsibly, like not giving a dog or cat food and water. It is against the law to be cruel or to harm animals, even your own pets. It is also called animal abuse or neglect. Facts. Approximately 7.6 million companion animals enter animal shelters nationwide each year. Penny is the 33rd most popular female dog name. 83.4 million cats are in the U.S. What can help animal cruelty? Serious games, which are video games. What are serious games? Serious games are educational, bring awareness, and generally help a good cause. How will they help? They will bring awareness to animal cruelty, and they will help people help animal cruelty. How can you help? You can donate, volunteer, and keep your pets safe and healthy. Help now and foster and save cats and dogs. Visit www.paws.org/getinvolved/foster. Thanks for listening.